Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I got my premium BoxyCharm box in the mail, so we are going to do an unboxing. Yay! Got my first box in the mail. Let's see what we got. So I actually already looked inside the box already because I cannot wait. Like, it's like Christmas. If you have a gift under the tree, you know you're going to sneak and peek and look and see what you got before Christmas Day. Or at least I would if you can't take a kid to a candy store and tell them not to touch anything. All right, so let's see. So it's always blue. That's for the premium. And it has like this little blue thing. And then here's a sneak peek. Sneak peek, sneak peek. All right, let's see what I got. So first things first, they gave us a card. It says BoxyCharm Mother Nature. And then as always, it tells you the things that you got in your box. So let's see. So the first thing it says is that I got a Kevin Aquan mascara. And I definitely did not get that in this box because I already went through everything in this box. But so you guys know I'm not lying. The first thing right here on the first one says Kevin Aquan mascara. I definitely didn't get that. So, I wonder what they got wrong in here. So let's go, I'll go down the list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It says I got 6 items, but I guess they gave me something else instead of that, but it says it on the card. So normally everything that's on the card, you get in the box. But nevertheless, for the most part, I'm happy with everything I got. Beggars can't be choosers, so let's see. All right, so the first thing I got is this Milk Lip and Cheek. And I swatched it. It's very sheer. So I don't like any cream stuff like on my cheeks because I feel like I'm kind of like oily. I'm combination to oily, so I don't like any like shine on my face too much. So I would use this more for like a lip, but it's very sheer. It looks like so. Let me put a couple of swatch. It's pretty though, but you can use it on your lips, but you can see that it's sheer. It's not like very opaque or anything like that. It has no smell to it. And it has a kind of like a pearlescent. It's not like one opaque color. This is what it looks like. So that was the first thing in my box. And premium, you normally get 6 things in the premium box. And in the standard regular box, you normally get 5 things. And this box was $35. All right, so that was $15. So I guess this is a mini because it looks kind of tiny. So I don't think this was the full size that they gave us. All right, the next thing I got was the Sugar Rush Tarte Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. This is what it looks like. And I did try this too. Sometimes I like everybody has their unboxings differently. Some people like to open it on camera. I like to open stuff and like try it so that way like I can give like an honest testimony because sometimes people want to know like what it's like. So I tried a lot of the stuff in the box. Some stuff I couldn't try, which I'll explain when I get to that. But I did try this. It's just like a lip balm. So as I was doing my makeup, because I got this probably like midday. I was like, let me just put this on. It smells a little bit like vanilla, and you guys know I don't like the smell of vanilla, so I don't know if I love it, but it's just a lip balm, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, my little paw prints in there because I use a little, because as I said, I tried it. It's very hydrating. I don't know why I just don't like the smell of vanilla. Like, I love girly, fruity, citrus, but vanilla is not my thing, so I don't know. The next thing I actually have on my eyes right now, because like I said, I want to give a little bit of a testimony of how I like things. So the next thing I got, oh, let me tell you how much the Tarte thing is. The Tarte thing was $12. All right, so the next thing on here is a Smashbox Photo Edit Trio. This was my choice. I chose this item. And I have it on my eyes today. I have on the lighter color in the corner, the brown in my crease, and then the orangey copper color in the middle. This is what it looks like. And I actually was gifted one of these as a gratis before. It was like the one that has like the light color. It has like a tail, and I forgot what other color it was. But these are actually pigmented. They're very nice. I like that. Like if you're traveling, you have like normally like a lid, a crease, and like a lid color. So, but this is nice. I do like this. These are my colors, which is why I picked this. So I was very happy about this, obviously, because I picked it. And this retails for $23. So I got this, so I was like, I know I'm not going to get a palette, an eyeshadow, the Too Faced Natural Matte palette. That was like, I think another option. But I got this, so like, I know I'm not going to get that. But guess what I got? Yay! I actually wanted this. I like the Too Faced, the Natural Matte, like that whole collection. I actually bought the Too Faced Natural Eyes. This is my own personal one. I had bought this, and I was struggling between, do I buy this one or this one? And I actually chose this one because it has like a little bit of sparkle and matte. And sometimes I don't want to just do matte because I can be kind of plain. But now I'm glad that I did buy this because now I have this too. Let me show you how this was not an option, but this is, I'm just covering the mirror. This is the one that I have. Look how pretty. Ooh la la, so nice. And it smells like, I don't know, toothpaste palettes always smell like sweet. It smells like chocolate. I don't know, I want to say chocolate, or I don't know. Not vanilla, because I don't like the smell of vanilla, but it smells very sweet, like candy. So love, love, love this. But this is what I got, and it's just like an addition. So this one is called Natural Eyes, and this is called Natural Matte. All right, so it comes in a little gold box, and a box in a box. And this is what the other one looks like. So now I got the twin to it. I got the baby twin. All right, so let's see what the twin looks like. I already know what it looks like already, but now I actually get to have it. So take a look. I'm covering the mirror, but take a look at what the actual eyeshadow palette looks like. It's just matte colors, but they're all earth tones. So very pretty. I'm very excited for this. And it has the same smell, which I love. So very happy about this. This actually was not on this card. So I don't know if it was a mistake or not that they put this in my box, but I'm happy. So it was a perfectly good mistake because this was not on here. Because I'm like, there's no way that they would give 2 eyeshadow palettes. But I got one. Yeah. Oh, is this the right one? I thought it was holding this one. Yes. But I'm happy about this because I was like, bummer. I didn't get, because the last premium box, I was really bummed that I didn't get one of the eyeshadow palettes. Although beggars can't be choosers, I know that it's just a subscription box, and you know, you randomly get stuff that they say, quote unquote, goes to your makeup profile that you chose. But I was, you know, I was happy still to get, I got the, what was it, the pharmacy, the mask, so the honey mask, which I always wanted to try. So it still worked out good, but I still wanted a palette. So I'm happy that, you know, I chose this palette, but I still got this one too. I wonder, let me know in the comments down below if anybody got 2 palettes. I'm not sure about that, if it was just a mistake or not. What number was this? This was number 49. You could tell what box you got by like the corner, right in the corner. So mine is number 49. All right. So let's see what else I got in my box. I got the Kat Von D Well Liner. And it's the blue one. I love blue. I wanted to wear this today, but like I already had like my outfit on. So I'm like, the blue with leopard print, I don't know if that's going to be too cute. So I'll save it for a different video, a different unboxing. But this is what it looks like. How pretty is this? I get excited for like color. Like I love color. I didn't try this yet, so let me swatch it for you guys. It has, like, I guess, like a little ball in here, so you just shake it up. And let's see what it looks like. Oh, wow. I gotta work on my swatching because still not, like, my swatch game may not be as good as of yet. But practice makes perfect. So that's what it looks like. Like a cobalt blue. Very excited about this. I'm gonna kill this look. Stay tuned for a look for this. Alright, let's see what else I got. So last premium box, I got the Paddington eyelashes, and in, oh, hold on, let me tell you how much the Kat Von D liquid liner was. $20. Back to what I had in my hand. So now I got the Paddington brushes. So honestly, I've never heard, has anyone ever heard of Paddington? I've never heard of this brand before, but that's what I love about subscription boxes. I get introduced to so many different brands that I've never tried before. So you guys know how I feel about brushes. Aisha loves brushes. I can have 1,000 brushes and I still want more, because you can never have too much brushes, just like you can never have too much makeup. So let's see how much this costs. Paddington powder and contour brush set. Wow, they said this has a retail for $90. Certain things I think that they just like make up the price, because I can't really, I am big into brushes and I've had some expensive brushes, but like, I don't know. I've never tried their brand, so I can't really say. I don't know. But I don't know if I would pay $90 for these two brushes, especially if it's a brand that I never heard of. But at least I get to try it. So this is what the brushes look like. They do say Paddington in the corner. Let me try to see if I can put it close so you guys can see. Can you see the name? I got my fingerprints all over it. Sorry, I put lotion on before I filmed, so my hands are a little like sticky. But this is what they look like. They feel very soft. Very soft quality. I love like the gold detailing on it. They have like a little weight to them. You could do a little workout. Very nice. So overall, like I said, I paid $35 for the box and it way exceeded the value. This is the only thing I don't know how much it was because it's not on the card. But let me see. I'm not even going to guess. I don't even remember how much this palette was. But everything is way over what I spent because the Smashbox was $23. It says Kevin Aucoin mascara. Oh, so I guess instead of the Kevin Aucoin mascara, I got this palette. I got the, I think I got the Wonder Beauty mascara from my premium box, my last box. So I guess they didn't want to give me two mascaras back to back. I don't know, trying to justify it for it. But overall, it exceeded the value. As always, that's the whole point of subscription makeup boxes. You get to try things for a very low price. As opposed to me buying everything together. You get it cheaper if you just pay one price and then you get like mystery things. But at the end of the day, if you can't use it, give it to a friend, gift it to somebody, you know? Beggars can't be choosers. So stay tuned for my next unboxing of any makeup hauls coming up and more subscription boxes. I hope everyone's doing well and I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, also, if you haven't had the chance to subscribe to my new makeup channel, please do so. I appreciate the support for everyone who has subscribed to me so far. It's going to be, I think, 2 months I've had a YouTube channel so far. So I'm slowly getting there and I think I'm doing good. As you guys can see, I'm consistent. I post at least 2 to 3 videos a week. So I am consistent and I'm going to continue to stay that way. So thank you so much for everyone who subscribed so far. I appreciate each and every one of you. When I finally hit 100 subscribers, I'm going to do a big giveaway. And I think I want to do like big giveaways every time, like for every milestone. So I want to do 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. That's when I'm going to do my giveaways because I won't be where I'm at without you guys. So that's my way of thanking you guys for subscribing to me and showing some support. So stay tuned for my next video. Bye.